Recently, Connecticut raised its minimum wage to $10.10 an hour. Here's why it could be a good thing and why it could be a bad thing. First off, definitions. What is a minimum wage? A minimum wage is the lowest amount of money an employer could pay its employee according to the government. See, it was designed to decrease income inequality and increase living standards, because back in the good old day, we used to pay people 25 cents an hour for 15 hours days. There are some problems with raising the minimum wage, as it can cause inflation, and the amount of people employers can hire will decrease, which makes it bad for the economy. If we completely eliminated the minimum wage, then we would go back to the good old days. A 1992 study by Krueger have shown that increasing the minimum wage can actually increase the amount of employees, boost morale and work ethics. But how many people are on minimum wage? Are they all teenagers going to buy their favorite, what do teenagers like? Simon and Garfunkel album. In the US, 4.7% of the workforce are on minimum wage, while in Canada, the percentage is 5.8. According to statistics, about 23% of workers on minimum wage are teenagers, while over 40, well, that makes up 36%. And 57% of them do not have any post-secondary education. So my conclusion on raising the minimum wage is to keep it at a happy medium, about $10 or $11. And no, that will not cause your prices to skyrocket. In Canada, that those are the minimum wage, and we're doing perfectly fine. We do not pay $20 for a hamburger. We could raise it higher, but it's redundant. There are many other ways to decrease income inequality. For example, increasing the taxes on the rich and decreasing them on the poor. More money can actually go to government activities like education. In fact, in some countries, all education, even in university, is free. This directly results from taxing corporations and the rich, but some conservatives might say that, oh, everyone needs to pay for their own education. They can't be that lazy, right? Well, not everybody can afford university education, not because they're lazy, but because their families, their parents are poor. So are we really gonna blame someone on something that their parents have done? Also, part-time jobs can't really pay off the ridiculously expensive student loans. Everyone deserves an equal opportunity. Plus, letting everyone go to university for free will increase the growth in industry and is a much better alternative than raising the minimum wage. So in conclusion, for the minimum wage, we'll just keep it at a stable medium, not something as low as $7.25, but not something as high as like $20. And also, tax the wealthy.